Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Crypto Takeover here, coming back with a Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you today. We're going to take a look at 2 or 3 different articles today. Bitcoin hits $38,000 for the first time, pushing cryptocurrency market value past $1 trillion. And then what else do we have here? We have crypto market cap value tops 1 trillion Bitcoin as Bitcoin hits $38,000. So our 1 trillion market cap has been hit. Bitcoin making new highs once again. And then last but not least, what do we have here? XRP price soars 55% to crucial level as Bitcoin reaches a high of 38,000.5. Wow. So XRP is taking off. We got Bitcoin also doing crazy stuff, and the total coin market cap value is skyrocketing as of right now too. So Bitcoin hovering right around 38,200 or so, consistently putting in new highs. Though we'll take a look at the charts, take a look at some XRP charts, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're taking a look at our first article here. Bitcoin reaching our new highs. Bitcoin smashed through $38,000 to hit a new record high on Thursday as the cryptocurrency massive rally continues. Cryptocurrency is up about 30% since the start of 2021. In the past 12 months, has surged nearly 370%. Bitcoin resurgence has been attributed to a number of factors, including more buying from large institutional investors. Bitcoin smashed through $38,000 to hit new record high on Thursday, helped to lift the total value of the entire cryptocurrency market above $1 trillion for the first time. The digital coin hit an all-time high of $38,000 around 7 a.m., just a few hours after blowing past its $37,000 level. According to data from Coinmetrics, Bitcoin was 7% higher from the day earlier. The cryptocurrency is up about 30% since the start of 2021. In the past 12 months has surged 370%. Meanwhile, the value of the cryptocurrency market, which is made up of Bitcoin and other digital coins like Others and Tether, surpassed 1 trillion for the first time early on Thursday. According to the data from CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin is by far most dominant cryptocurrency with a market value of over $700 billion. Bitcoin resurgence has been attributed to a number of factors, including more buying from large institutional investors. High-profile investors like Paul Tudor Jones, for example, have been buying the digital money. Many Bitcoin bulls say cryptocurrency akin to digital gold, a potential safe haven asset in the hedge against inflation. In the recent research note, JP Morgan said Bitcoin could hit $146,000 in the long term, competes with gold as an alternative currency. All right, so we're seeing some definite bullish news happening right now as Bitcoin continues to surge through these higher prices. Crypto market cap value tops at $1 trillion as Bitcoin hits $38,000. So folks, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because we're bringing you videos every single day on Bitcoin, on cryptocurrency. We're going over the charts every single day to see what's going on, if we're going to continue higher or not. And yeah, let's go on into this next article here. We have the total market cap surpasses 1 trillion for the first time Thursday, amid frenzy and volatility rally in Bitcoin, and yet another record. Obviously, we know that there's a lot of uncertainty, just overall in economics right now. And as far as the presidential, rallies and stuff that are taking place too. So a lot of upheaval in the markets right now, or just in general, and then also reflecting into the markets about people needing to find safe havens too as well. Cryptocurrency hits a milestone after the 5-fold climb in market value in the past year. Data from CoinGecko shows strategists have cited demand for speculative retailer traders, trend following quant funds, the rich, even institutional investors as among the reasons for the surge. Bitcoin rose as much as 6% on Thursday to touch the high of 38,200 and has more than quadrupled in the past year. According to the composite of prices compiled by Bloomberg, it has, about 2/3 cryptocurrency market value, followed by Ether around 13%. According to CoinGecko data, digital coins are jumping in the world awash the myths of financial stimulus. Even some commenters fear an inevitable bust. Of other questions the basic integrity of the crypto markets, proponents of Bitcoin argue it offers a hedge against the dollar weakness and risk of faster inflation, a bit like gold, while critics decry the intellectual soundness of comparing the two assets. Yeah, so obviously there's still some speculation when it comes to a lot of these bigger guys and wanting to hop into the space too as well. But obviously we know that more than just given our research and doing our own due diligence on this channel that Bitcoin is here to stay and it's not going anywhere, and so are the crypto markets too as well. Obviously, I'm just some guy on YouTube, so don't listen to anything that I say. Do your own research, do your own due diligence, and also seek financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. So yeah, looking at our next article here, Cointelegraph, XRP soaring 55% to crucial level as the Bitcoin price continues to rise. So yeah, XRP has started to recover. We actually posted in our trading group page that it looked like XRP was about to recover when it was back at 22 cents. And right now it's sitting at about 33 cents or so, I believe. So very, very interesting how this market has recovered after its crazy sell-off, and still getting delisted from exchanges, but yet we still have the price pumping. So crazy stuff. Data from Cointelegraph Markets, Coin 360 and TradingView followed BTC USD as it took another hurdle. Psychological significance of $40,000 milestone on Thursday. Gains had accelerated with Bitcoin investors seeing 24-hour returns and 11.5% just in a week. Where's XRP? Okay, here we go. In altcoins, meanwhile, a curious resistance renaissance was occurring from the embattled number of cryptocurrency XRP, having previously lost a substantial amount in its value due to legal issues and a major stakeholder Ripple. XRP saw a sudden rebirth this week, rising from 23 cents to 35 cents in a single day. Van de Poop 0.35 now represented the make it or break it level for bulls to hold in order to continue their gains, which come despite no real movement in the legal proceedings. XRP needs to crack the significant resistance zone to be able to continue an upward push. If that doesn't occur, more consolidation is required, he commented. So yeah, obviously, we don't even have any news about this SEC battle getting settled just yet or anything, but apparently the price is still pumping. We saw on our charts that it looked like it was going to pump. And I had just briefly looked over the charts here just a second ago, and honestly, it still looks like XRP is still headed for an upward trajectory too as well. So we called this trade a couple of days ago on our Patreon page. If y'all are interested in joining us in our Patreon page, there's links in the description box below. It is basically just to get into our trading group, and then we post everything inside of our Discord page. So if you would like to pay with a credit card or card, you can use the payment processor through Patreon. If you want to pay with crypto, shoot me a message on Discord or send me an email, and I can help you out that way too as well. But we're moving everything over to Discord. All the information that we post will be posted on Discord for our members inside of our trading group. So if you want to learn about how we're trading this market, what altcoins we're getting into, come over there, join us on Patreon, and join us in our trading group page too as well. So yeah, with that being said, folks, let's go over into the charts and get started on some of this stuff. Haha. All right, taking a look at Bitcoin right now. We're looking at the daily chart here. Let's turn off all of our little charts and see what's going on here. So this is our logarithmic growth chart here. Our white lines are the part of the logarithmic growth. You can see that we're pushing through our logarithmic chart here at our halfway point. And our next high is right underneath $100,000. Now, I'm not saying $100,000 is going to happen during this bull cycle. Honestly, it's kind of up in the air as of right now. Man, this is just crazy. Looking at Cipher B, you can see how we've just been getting steadily Christmas tree patterns here. Bitcoin is the gift that just keeps on giving, isn't it? So we're going to start to see these Christmas tree patterns continue to form out here, probably on Cipher B too as well. Current price is 38,200, so still putting in all-time highs, which is absolutely incredible. Bitcoin is just really just taking off here. It is absolutely amazing. Let's take a look at our weekly chart. See our logarithmic growth. This is our logarithmic growth indicator here, are the white lines. And if we start to zoom out here, we can see that last time we had a little bit of resistance during our last halfway point on our logarithmic chart growth, and we had a little bit of a sell-off, and then we continue to rally. Now we're currently still trying to push through our logarithmic chart here on the weekly chart, but on the daily chart it has already broken through. Now we're probably just looking for a close above this halfway point here, and if we kind of zoom in even more, we can see that even on our price targets, this is our 2-hour chart here, we can see that our price targets pretty much have been hit consistently throughout this upwards trajectory here. They just consistently been hit. Each price target has been hit. Now we're looking for about $42,000 for the 1618 after our last consolidation underneath this halfway point of our logarithmic chart too as well. So definitely Bitcoin's still looking like it's ready to continue to move a little bit higher here. This is actually the 2-hour chart, but the 2-hour chart and some of these lower time frames are still looking like they want to move sideways for the most part. Looking at our 4-hour chart, it does look like our momentum waves on Cipher B are kind of just not a lot of power behind it just yet, but it's still making a steady rise here. So money's still moving into this market, which is absolutely incredible. Bitcoin is just the gift that keeps on giving. Honestly, it is a great time to be alive and be inside of this crypto space. That is for sure. So folks, let's without further ado, we're going to go over into the dominance chart, see what's happening here. Dominance chart here on the 4-hour does look like it's starting to recover, maybe finding a nice little bottom here around the 68% level or so. If we start to zoom out on our higher time frames, you can see that we did get our retest on these bottom trend lines here, and we had a lot of alts start to rally as the dominance chart came back down to retest some key levels. Looking at the 2-day chart, it does look like we came back down to retest that 21 EMA. The daily chart never quite had a close below the 21 EMA, finding support here. So that's what we're kind of looking for. Looking at Cipher B, we're also probably seeing our VWAP start to move up to the top side, possibly a little bit of recovery here. Money flow still looks really, really good on our dominance chart on the daily chart there. And then our 3-day chart, you can still see that money flow is continuing to want to move to the upside here on Cipher B2 as well. Folks, I forgot to say, if y'all are interested in getting some of our paid for indicators, there's links in the description box below. We use the market cipher indicator by CryptoFace with the TI sequential by tone days and the market guide buy and sell signal. So yeah, it definitely, let's take a look at the 4-hour, see what's going on here. 4-hour, we haven't had our money flow move up just yet, but I definitely will consider that we're going to start moving into this greenish territory, and we'll probably end up hitting some of our price targets a little bit higher too as well. So more than likely what Bitcoin dominance is going to want to do is move back up to this purple trend line. It does look like we did test that as resistance, so we'll probably end up making our way back up above or back to that area somewhere around the 74% area or so in the near term future as we start to recover just a tad bit here in the dominance chart. So without further ado, we're going to move over into XRP. Let's see what's going on in XRP. XRP making a nice recovery here at 33 cents now. So you can see XRP is sitting right at about 33 cents. We were definitely keeping a close eye on XRP, taking a look at the 6-hour chart. This is what looks absolutely incredible for XRP here. Looking at Cipher B, you can see our money flow is just steadily rounding up to the top here. I think XRP is going to blow, dude. And I don't know what the news is going to be to tell us what XRP is going to do. But yeah, we're definitely setting our eyes probably somewhere right around 55 cents or so, or 56 cents, coming back up to retest this trend line up here. So keep an eye out for that. Y'all are getting some private information right now. Usually I would only give this to my Patreon members, but XRP looks absolutely incredible. It looks like it's ready to start performing again. And yeah, I would just be ready and set for when it does. But yeah, this is just a little bit of a heads up on that. Definitely looking for a nice little price target there for XRP. So I think we're going to go ahead and end it there, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every single video that we make every single day as the crypto markets continue to give us these gifts and the broader spectrum of what's actually going on and how to make sure that we do our own due diligence and research to help ourselves. And as you know, chaos continues and ensues, we are going to be here making videos to help you better yourself. And don't forget, we have our Patreon page available. If you'd like to pay in crypto, message me. I'll get you set up. And yeah, I'll look forward to chatting with y'all on the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.